This was my woodworking project I put on YouTube when I was still working on it in my basement wood shop. So I put a follow-up video as far as the rows being completely done. That's what I've got here. I'm 100% done with it. Everything just all clear. Clear finish. This is all aromatic cedar in this area. This is west leaves, stem, or just western red cedar, and I used bloodwood for the thorn there. Pretty happy with it. And then I just put everything on the 1/4 inch plywood backing, glued everything to it. Kept my 1/4 inch just inside all the way around. I just finished her up. Just in time for Valentine's Day.